Hi everyone, my name is ORONIRAN from Bo University, Nigeria, and I'll be presenting on Pounded Yam Gendered Food Products Profile. I'll be presenting basically on WP1 activities. WP1 is basically all about understanding the drivers of trade preferences and the development of multi-user RTB product profiles. For the WP1 activities, state of knowledge was carried out, market survey, processing demonstration among processors, then consumer testing activities. During the state of knowledge activities, focus group discussion was carried out among farmers who are more of men. Then focus group discussion was carried out also among women who are more of processors and traders. Then market survey was also carried out. Key informant interviews were carried out, and individual interviews were carried out among both male and female participants. For the processors demonstration, key processors were identified in different locations, and the processors were allowed to produce pounded yam from 4 to 5 varieties that could give poor quality to high quality pounded yam product. The pounded yam produced from this exercise were also presented to the same processors in order to evaluate and tell the trade preference for pounded yam that could give them a high sale or high income when being sold. And for the consumer testing activities as well, 4 to 5 samples of pounded yam was presented. These pounded yam samples ranged from those with poor quality characteristics to high quality pounded yam for the consumers to evaluate, and then for us to generate the characteristics or the preferred traits that is being desired in. And the quality characteristics that were generated by gender, from the raw yam to the ready to eat pounded yam, were all listed below in this slide. And we could see from the preferred quality characteristics, which is the agronomical characteristics of the yam that were being listed by the female. We could see shape ranking first, in shape of the tuber ranking first, the size of the tuber, the when the tuber is being pinched, that there should be no color change in the flesh or any discoloration. The tuber should be something of early maturity, and then the freshness of the tuber. And for the male counterpart, on the preferred quality characteristics of the tuber that could give a good pounded yam, white color flesh was the first. Then low water content was mentioned by the male participants. Then the freshness of tuber was also mentioned. For the preferred quality characteristics during processing, easy to peel was the first that was mentioned by the female participant. Then no discoloration when peeling, and then the color should still remain white while in water. Then the water should be clear, and also the yam that will produce a good pounded yam quality should be able to form dough easily, and that depicts the easiness of pounding of the yam. For the male counterpart, the preferred quality characteristics during processing that were listed includes no discoloration from the very first stage of processing to the end, that is from peeling till the cooking and then pounding. Then good aroma was mentioned, and then softness of the product. Then for the final product, which is pounded yam, white color was first on the list of the female participant. Moldability, smoothness, which means the absence of lumps, stretchability, sweet taste, good aroma, appealing look, and softness were the characteristics of pounded yam that were generated by female participants. While the male participants in this study mentioned stretchability as number 1, appealing look, white color, moldability, smooth or no lumps, sweet taste, softness, easy to swallow, and not sticking to the hand. On the right side of the slide, we could see pictures of the pictures that were taken during the activities. For the first picture, it shows the focus group discussion with male farmers. The second one is on interview with a male processor who was trying to evaluate the pounded yam after the processing demonstration. He was trying to evaluate the pounded yam from the 4 samples ranging from the ones for poor quality to high quality, and trying to describe and mention the preferred traits and the preferred variety that he loves to produce for his customers in his restaurant. Then the third picture shows the interview with a group of female processors. Now, the quality attributes that gave high citation frequency during these activities in WP1 includes good aroma, sweet taste, softness, white color, not sticking to the hand, smoothness, which means the absence of lumps, then moldability, and then stretchability. And on the right side of the slide, we could see a picture of the samples that were presented and the ranking that was done. Then also the final WP1 gendered food products list of characteristics for pounded yam, according to the priority that were ranked by the participants, includes good aroma, no lumps, which indicates smoothness, sweet taste, softness, and white color. However, the priority characteristics in terms of texture for pounded yam includes no lumps, which is smoothness, softness, moldability, stretchability, and not sticking to the. These are all essential traits that are always looked out for in good quality pounded yam. I want to acknowledge BNGF Foundation, AfricaYamRTBfoods, WP1 co-leaders, partner institutes, IITA, CNR, RA, CRAD, NRCRI. I want to appreciate the RTB Yam Product champions, the teams, the contributors, African Yam, for the collaboration and the good work we're doing on Pounded Yam. Thank you. Yam, I want to say thank you, a big thank you to everybody. Thank you for listening. Bye.